All right, hey guys, Ryan here. Got a good question today. I thought it really required a video. Let me give you the question first. I'm going to share my screen. We'll get right into the charts. All right, so the question was, why is there not a whole lot of Forex trades, either in my community or like a lot of my students are already at the point they're looking at this stuff, they're absorbing it and they're learning my strategy and they're trying to emulate it and duplicate it, right? So the way they're looking at it is like they're not finding good quality setups. And I said, congratulations, this is being a trader. You now know when you're being selective and you're not gambling and you're actually treating this like you're looking for quality setups. This is really important. So what I thought I would do is kind of just show you where we're in the middle. There's not like a lot of near-term trades in the currency markets, in the pairs markets anyway. I'm going to have other videos on other topics. A big hot topic in my community lately has been, the trading environment. It's a big thing for Mitch and I. When you've traded for a while, the markets you like to trade in and don't. And so we've been teaching that, especially in our intraday stuff. And then the option stuff just isn't, making entry, which is fine because you're not losing anything. But obviously, everyone's here to make money. So let me jump into the charts. And sorry, my dog is, you're gonna hear my dog every once in a while. It's a storm's coming, so he's getting scared. So let me share my screen. Okay, so let me start with the yen. Or you know what, better yet, let me go to the pound USD. Okay, I mean, just series of lower highs here. We don't have anything really like in the near term on the high time frames to take us higher. So that's a pretty dangerous spot to be in. So I had to go all the way down to the 1 hour chart to find something. See right there. So when price gets down here, I'd look to be a buyer, at least in the short term anyway. So if I'm here, right, now I need it to come down here to get me in here. And I can make this a little less aggressive of an entry. Ask me about that if you're in my community, how we can make this a little cheaper. But for the most part, buying here, I would even be a little bit conservative. I would take profits a little sooner than I normally would. Say like I'm going for 3 to 1 or more, I think is dangerous in this environment. So this is my only near-term pound trade. Let's go to the Euro USD. And sometimes if there's nothing there, just don't trade it. This is a 1 hour. Just look at it daily really quickly. I mean, this is just a disaster because of the Ukraine conflict. I'm going to not waste anyone's time, and I'm just going to tell you there's nothing below. So you see that little pivot there? There's nowhere to get in between here and below there for a while. So it's pointless for me to chart it just now. On this, so that's fine, right? Because if there's a near-term short, we'll get more out of it. So I mapped this out. Right, we're down here. Now this is the opposite. If you're not familiar with shorting, ask me privately. Just for a visual, we need price to shoot up here to get us into that trade. That's a nice sideways action, and then a nice drop. Again, keep an eye on the environment. I like this trade a little bit more than I like the pound, just because this is going with the higher time frame trend. So keep an eye on that. This setup's not too bad. I like that. It's just I don't know how long it's going to take to get there. So you got to sit on your hands, set alerts, and make sure you're always adjusting your risk. Okay, now the yen, interesting. Just with the dollar in the lead there. So listen, hourly. So let's go to a daily. Maximize. Which time do I have on this? And 20. Okay, good. Okay, so broke through that. Next potential. All right, so it might be close to something. So this is the top of that wick there. Okay. All right. This is going to get the blue circle. What does blue circle mean, right? Okay. In here, it's just too big for like an actual trade though. Like the size of this, the risk on a full lot. Obviously, I could, tamp it down, but that's pretty big. This is where price could move, but what we could do, and I would suggest, if you want to take a lot, there's a trick to this, right? So if you're getting in a large level on a high time frame, so this is a daily, right? So then you cut it down to like a 2 hour and see if you can find a smaller zone in there and ride it down. That's your best bet here, but there's no trade here for me. That's a big risk right there, dollar wise, not risk of it working. Just like if it doesn't work, then you're going to take a hit. So let's see. All right, we're getting there. Getting there. We'll see. It's pretty strong right now. Let's just go to the 240. Nothing I like here to get long from. I could do a 2 hour. Let's just jump down to the 1 hour. Yeah, nothing for a while. I'm not even gonna outline this little guy here. All right, so that's it. So sit on your hands, be patient. This is the time to go for quality over quantity, and really focus on getting in like those high quality setups. Like no need to go to a lower time frame and just you're gonna drive yourself nuts in the forex market anyway. Constantly looking at the lower time frames. So stick to quality setups. Like even like this is a good quality fit, like day trading setup. I really prefer the higher time frames in the currency market. I'm going to label this just so you guys can see it. But that's the deal with the currency market. Be careful, tread lightly. Lots going on in the world, it's affecting the market. I know we only trade off the charts and technicals, but quality over quantity. All right, just take that away. Always manage your risk, and you'll be in good shape. You know where to find me. Either put your comment below. I'm going to put my calendar link in here if you need to talk to me. And talk to you guys again.